Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Rod's Random Reviews, and this is the unboxing, unpackaging of, hey look at that, made in China, imagine that. Even though if you buy things on Amazon, you folks know this, Amazon Prime, etc., you're probably getting something from China, so more on that later, but yeah, so it comes sealed up. We're talking about an electric lighter. So this is green vivid. So let's see what we got here. This is literally the unboxing. So this is the Explorer. All right, product reference. It's a double arc lighter, 3.7 volt, etc., etc. So it'll do about 300 charges. So what I liked about this is it's no butane. No this, no that. US cable under tray. Let's see what we got here. So yeah, you're going to want to, oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. So yeah, you're going to charge this puppy up. And if you are camping or if you are, you know, out and about and you need an electric lighter, you know, and you don't necessarily want to be carrying regular lighters around. You know, if you're in an RV or a tent or, you know, butane and things like that is not necessarily 100% safe. So here we go. This is what we're talking about here, the Explorer. I like the color of it, so it's going to show up, you know, with if you're out camping or in your RV and things like that. What I was curious about is, can you light a cigar with this? That may be what you're curious about too. So how does this work? Boom, boom. Got to figure all this good stuff out. So I'm in the discovery mode here. Those that follow Rod's Random Reviews know that I don't do any fancy editing or anything. So let's see how this thing works. There, I push the button. How about that? Now, I haven't charged it yet, so it may not be doing anything. Have not charged it yet. So let me charge it. Look at that. Something's going on. Something's going on right there. Wow, 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 don't do that, Duke, don't do that. What have I done? What have I done? Yikes, yikes, yikes. Hey, time out. Emergency. Woo, woo. Sorry about that. I just had a fire in my house. I didn't mean to have a fire in my house. Any smoke alarms going off here? Hey, I better, hey, time out, time out, time out. I gotta go to a sink or something and put this underwater. Hold on. Well, I cleaned it up a little bit. My goodness, the bottom of this Crocs shoe was black. And what did I do? I went charging off to the bathroom here next to my study to put out the fire, and this black right here, it all rubbed off on the carpet. So I've been cleaning the carpet here in my house to stay out of trouble with my wife over the last few minutes. I should have made copies of that. So, man, it stinks in here. It smells like a fire. All right, where was I? Reviewing the Explorer lighter. So if you haven't picked up on it by now, folks, it works. Lordy mussy, it works. So that's how you kind of do it. Don't worry. I am not putting... So I guess if you stuck a cigar right in there, you would probably be good. You might be able to light a cigar. It might take you a couple of minutes. But, so where's the USB? Look at that. That's not too, that's an interesting place for it. So that's going to go there. and your USB is going to go on your, battery pack or something like that, even your computer, I guess. Interesting. So let's try to finish the review here in a second. So here's a little bit more about what's going on here with the Explorer. So I did put the lanyard, or what do you want to call this thing, on here, which is good. You could throw it around your neck if you're going to be out and about, that sort of thing. So now that I'm in cinematic mode, you can kind of see what's going on here with the Explorer. Yeah, there we go. So it's good. It locks into place. It's not going to fly open on you. But looky here. It's got a little survivor whistle, I guess it is. Does that make sense to you all? Let's see what it sounds like. Well, the survivor whistle is not very loud. So it is what it is, I guess. But yeah, it is a whistle. It is a whistle, folks. So there you have it. Rod's random reviews on the lighter. I don't have any fresh cigars. I would go outside and see. Yeah, go outside. I've learned my lesson. Don't try to light them in here. My goodness. So if I have any more news on this Explorer, but so far so good. I don't know. It was 10 or 12 bucks on Amazon. Like I said, when you buy things on Amazon, turns out it's going to be from China, things like that. So I'm going to do some watch reviews soon. Kind of getting into watches a little bit. I always have been, but I found out that, hey, you can get some watches in China with a Seiko movement that are very, very accurate and very, very good. So more on that later. So thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. Some of you may have noticed this back here, Dell and Apple, Apple and Dell. Which one is it? So it's a confused computer here. Lots of laughs, LOL as we say. So it is a Dell computer, and with my iPads and iPhones and whatever, I had all these Apple stickers. So I just decided to stick them on my computer. So there you have it. But thanks for watching, and I think I'm really going to like this $10 purchase here. And in the cinematic mode, it's not coming into view. There we go. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. There we go. So thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. Comment below if you have a similar. The comments are really what I'm looking for here. When I'm out RVing, I'm out camping, I'm out in the backyard, and I need something, a little fire started for whatever reason. Man, I still smell that fire in my study here. All right, I learned my lesson there. Don't strike a match to a napkin or a paper towel. So there you have it, folks. Yeah, comment below on if you have one of these or you have something similar that might be better, and we'll take a look. Thanks, y'all. Bye now.